Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about Tesla's car manufacturing unit in Karnataka. Tesla reported that they will set up a vehicle manufacturing unit in Karnataka in 2021. A month ago, the electric car maker incorporated Tesla Motors India, an energy private limited with its office in Bengaluru, a center point for worldwide innovative organizations. State Chief Minister of Karnataka had then said in a tweet, which was in this way erased, that Tesla will begin its operations in India with the R&D unit in Bengaluru. India had been quick to diminish its oil reliance and cut down on pollution. However, its endeavors to advance electric vehicles have been stymied by a lack of investment in manufacturing and infrastructure, for example, charging stations. India intends to offer $4.6 billion in motivators to boost investment to organizations setting up advanced battery manufacturing facilities. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.